Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for the US session for today, which is Monday the 6th of June. So the S&P, we said it had developed a range between 4196 and 4206, and the bottom of the range was at 4074 to 4084, and these were the best zones for trading opportunities today. We said we needed to gain acceptance above initial resistance at 4170 to 4180 to see move to the top of the range. And we said if we gained acceptance below 4124 to 4132, we could see moves initially to 4098 to 4108, and then the bottom of the range at 4074 to 4084. So let's go and have a look at the S&P today. Okay, so as you can see, we still have about an hour and a half of trading, so there is still the potential for some movement and some trading opportunities in the market going into the close. But just recapping the session so far, we had this initial push up. There is quite a nice reversal pattern here. Unfortunately, it wasn't quite from our zone, so this was nothing that we could take. But that was quite a nice reversal pattern there from in isolation. We then got this impulsive push down into the support zone at 4170 to at 4124 to 4132. Now, notice that this whole move here is very corrective. We've got the impulsive and corrective move back, and then there's this continuation pattern. So if you had got long from this sort of liquidity grab around here from the top of the zone, you would want to be managing the trade into that moving average and maybe even booking your profits due to the fact that we've got this impulsive corrective price action, and then we set up a continuation which suggested further downside. So you then did see that follow through down, and we've got the impulsive push through that zone and the acceptance below. So again, once you've seen the acceptance below, we did say that we could see moves initially to 4098 to 4108. There isn't really a continuation pattern in here. If you did get short on the retest, then this potentially probably would have been a losing trade, because you would have then got this impulsive false break sort of pattern above that zone. But notice now that we've had another impulsive push through, which meant this whole zone is just very, very choppy. And this is sort of why we said that we had developed the range, and the best opportunities for trading and trading opportunities was from the extremes of the range at 4196 to 4206 and 4074 to 4084. So that's the action so far on the S&P. We have broken down here. So again, if we sort of hold, if we get some pullbacks and we hold this zone as resistance now and start breaking down again, there is the potential to get some shorts into the final hour of trading. Equally, if we get the impulsive push back up and then retest, then we may be able to get some long. So this zone may provide an opportunity. However, I do think the fact that this zone has been very choppy, I think it's probably best left alone for the rest of the session. So not really too much clear in the way of great trading opportunities on the S&P today. Like I say, the best one was probably the retest here of this zone having got acceptance below, but that would have been a losing trade. And equally, as we said in the report, the best trading opportunities would have been from the extremes, which we didn't see today. So now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so for the Dow, we said the initial resistance today was at 33,200 to 33,275. The sustained breaks up above there, opening moves higher. We said if we saw acceptance below 33,000 to 33,050, then this would open up moves initially to 32,840 to 32,900, and then potentially main support today at 32,500 to 32,550. So let's go and have a look at the Dow today. Okay, so as you can see on the Dow today, the Dow's behaved much better than the S&P. We've got a nice reversal pattern here on the Dow from that 33,200 to 33,275 zone. It did take a little bit of time, and then we got this really strong impulsive push down. We didn't quite get the acceptance below the 33,000 level here. If we had got some acceptance below here, then this would have been a really nice continuation pattern. It's still valid due to that impulsive corrective nature, but we hadn't quite seen that acceptance below that zone at that point. We did gain acceptance below here, and we have then seen a move to that 32,840 to 32,900, and that has so far held as support. So we've held it as support here, and then on the retest of this zone, we have actually held that as resistance. So The zones on the Dow have worked much better than the S&P today, and some good opportunities. Certainly, this one probably the trade of the day here just after 3 o'clock in the London 3 o'clock London time, where we took the liquidity from that London high, from that initial resistance zone, and then we got that strong impulsive push down into this 33,000 area. So I hope you found this useful. As always, please come sign up to the US Keyzone service. The link is in the box below. Come be part of the Keyzone Traders community to chat and talk about these reports and the setups that happen around these reports. Chat with like-minded traders, become part of the community, and really help you with your trading. It's completely free, and the link is in the box below. Let me know what you think of these reports, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.